everyone, I hope you're all having a lovely day. Here we are writing calligraphy with a double pencil. It's so easy if you want to learn calligraphy, especially for the beginners. This is a really good way of learning Arabic calligraphy. So today I'm going to show you how to write. It's so easily done, and then you can go over it with a color, or you can paint with the acrylic paint, or but you have a base of writing the calligraphy really neatly with a double pencil. So here we go. Let's write, because today I'm going to be writing Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. So let's start, inshallah. Just starting from here, you hold the pencil like this, one on top of each other, and you have like it's a 45 degrees angle. So we're going to start from here. We're going to write the alif first, so we're just going to go straight down like so, alif, and then I'm just going to do the, just keep your hand steady, and we're going to write to the next part. So we're just going to put them together and drag them all the way down nicely. This part you can make it more wider, like if you do it like straight it goes narrow, but if you do it like this, spread it out a little bit, and then it'll go wider like this. I'm making it a little bit more wider. You just make it a little bit more wider, like so. For beginners, you should have a printout in front of you so you can follow the script carefully. I always double check my work because you can't go wrong with Arabic. The dua I'm writing is from the first chapter of the Quran, the opening chapter, Surah Fatiha, which means, "Praise be to Allah, the Lord of the universe." If you are new to my channel, do subscribe, like, and leave a comment. If you are wanting to learn Arabic calligraphy, the best thing is just to practice, practice, and practice. And believe me, it makes a lot of difference. Sorry guys if I'm still not sounding right. I'm still not recovered from my sinuses problem. I've had it over 3 weeks now. Alhamdulillah, one of the biggest blessings that Allah gives us is a good health. So may Allah give everyone shifa who are suffering. That says Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Right, now we're just gonna fill in the missing. You can take just one pencil, like we're just gonna fill in the gaps like that. Gonna fill all the spaces and go over it. But you got the basic guideline. So we're just gonna close all the gaps. Okay. Just gonna go ahead and fill all the nuqtas and the tashkil. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it in. So here you go. So easy with double pencil. Look how neat it came out. So do have a try of this. I'll fill it in as well to show you with the column and a brush. But this is the easy way to write Arabic calligraphy with double pencil. Just going to be using acrylic ink with a column. I'm just going to be using a brush. As you can see, I've started from the right side, but because the ink is still wet, you can smudge it. So it's a tip to go, if you already wrote your calligraphy with a pencil, it's better to start from the left side, then you're less likely to smudge it. I hope this video was useful for people who have requested me to write with double pencil. Thank you to all the followers who have subscribed to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share it also. This gives encouragement to do better work next time. Thank you. Okay, I hope this video was useful for the people who have just started learning Arabic calligraphy. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.